we are looking at significant figures, okay? And this is crucial in scientific calculations and practice because they show us what the accuracy of the number we are calculating. Significant figure is simply the number of digits in a number. Let's look at the examples, okay? Imagine you have this number, okay? And then begin to count it. How many digits? There's a first digit, second digit, there's a third digit. And that's what? Three significant figures. Another one, let's say we have 3.425. Okay, begin to count it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 significant figures. And there are rules. There are rules that govern how to count the number of significant figures. So let's see those rules. The first rule, zeros at the beginning of a number are not counted. When you have zeros that start a number, for example, now you have probably 0.001. When zeros start a number, you omit that zeros. You start from the what? From the digits where the number starts. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is what? 3 significant figures. Okay, you're going to start from where the digit starts. Then the other one, zeros at the end of the numbers are what? Are counted. Example for this case, 0 at the end of a number are counted. For example, now you have 0.00580. Okay, so as we said in the first law, you start counting from what? Where the digit starts, 1, 2, 3. So this is what? This is a 3 significant figure. So because you have to count this 0 at the end. Okay, if you have 0 at the end, you count it. If you have 0 that starts it, you do not count zeros. You start from where the digit starts. The third laws or the third rules, when there is no decimal place, the rule for the zeros at the end is not specified. For example, let's say you have 350. This 350 could be 2 significant figures, could also at the same time 3 words significant figure. To avoid these ambiguity is to use scientific notation. This could be 3.5 times 10 to the power 2 is correct, and that will be what? That will be 2 significant figure. It's also correct as 3.50 times 10 to the power 2. In this case now, this is what? 3 significant figures. So these are the 2 cases, 2 scenarios you can have. Yeah. We are looking at the multiplication and division, okay? What are the rules for significant figure, for multiplications and division? In multiplying or dividing, the results must have the same number of significant figures as the number with the lowest number of significant figures. So what we are doing is that when you are multiplying, okay? So what you do, you get your answer. Then you now check. Look at this one now. The least significant figure here is 2. This one is having what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This one is what? 3. This is what? 2. So you have 2 what? Your answer must what? Must be what? 2 significant figures. So let's really get the first one. The first one, take a calculator. So when you multiply this, it's going to give you 416.64375. So that's what we have from the calculator. And then once we take it to the least significant figure, which is what? Which is 2. So that will be equal to, the best way we can do this is to do it in what? Write it in what? Scientific notation. Okay? So move this point here, that's 1, that's 2. Okay? So that will be equal to what? 4.2 times 10 to the power what? To the power 2. That's the 2 significant figure. Just move your point here, 2 places to the what? To the left. 1, 2. Okay? And then you stop there, 4.2. And then this one, move it to this place. This is a round it up. That's 4.2. Yeah, the second one, we have 3.4 to power 2 times 251. Check your question, which one is having the least significant figure. This is a 3, and this is what? This is 1, 2. This is 2 significant figure. So this one was being what? two significant figure. And the best approach is to write your answer in what? In scientific notation, in standard form. So then start moving from the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be got to what? 8.5. 8.5 times 10 to the power 4 to 2 significant figure. And that's that on that question. On summary, when you are multiplying or dividing, okay, your answer, your final answer must have what? The lowest significant figure of your question. Okay, we are looking at additions and subtraction under significant figure. So what is the rule for additions or subtraction? The rule is very simple. Your final answer is going to be the question. You are going to check your question and see what is the lowest decimal places here. So your answer in a nutshell will take the form of the lowest number of decimal places. Like this first question now, after you have added this one and this one together, then you check which one among these two has the what? The lowest number of decimal places is this one. So, and this is what? How many decimal places for this one? That's 2 decimal places. So we expect your answer to be what? To be 2 decimal places. In a nutshell, your answer for addition or subtraction will take what? The lowest decimal places, okay, of the question. The first one, we have 2.532 gram plus what? 0.34. So this will be 278 grams. So that's our answer, but that's not the final answer. Then you now check the question. Which one has the lowest decimal places? Which one? Is this one. Then count it. How many decimal places? This is 1, this is 2. So this is 2 decimal places. Then you go back to your question, and then that will be what? 1 decimal, 2 decimal places. So your answer is what? Your answer is 2.87 gram. That's for the first one. Then the B part, we have what? 6.5 gram minus what? 2.352. Okay, you can put 0 here if you like. If you subtract, that will be 8. This will be 4. This will also be what? 1. And this will be what? 2. The least decimal places here is what? It's 2 decimal places. 1, 2. Our answer will be equal to what? This is 4. But the number after this 4 is more than 5. So round it up. So that will be 2.15. 2.15 gram. So that's our answer. For the third one, we have 2.36. We have 0.2569. We have 20.1. Okay, gram. So we can. So that will be 9617. That's 22.7 gram. So the final conclusion, go to that place. What is the least decimal place there? Is 1 decimal place. That's the least decimal number here. 1 decimal place. So our answer will be what? 22.7 gram. So that's that on addition. On addition, your answer will take the lowest decimal place.